So we got a couple videos of the Pixel 4 hands-on. Oh, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, friends of the internet, how the f do you think on accident 2 videos of the Pixel 4, the black version and the white version, leak on the same day, this close to the Apple event? Wait, we're getting even closer to that event? Just wait, more leaks.
Good morning! We have a huge morning planned for you with some truly big announcements. So I'm going to So I'm going to dispense of my usual updates and get right into it, beginning with the App Store.
Ta-da!
Want daily tech news in a way that doesn't suck? Of course you do! Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.
Okay, all right. Hang on. Let's just take a second. Can we just take a second? First of all, hi. Nice to see you. Listen, this is my second episode of the day filming, right? I just covered the Apple event a few hours ago. This is after Apple event day. I'm recording another one tonight so that you get the episode tomorrow morning. Hi, good morning to you. I'm tired because Apple event day. This is the second episode I'm recording. This was literally me just a few hours ago. Happy Tuesday, happy Apple event day. Speaking of that thing, whew, what a fucking day, huh? And this is me now. Listen, don't give me shit, okay? I haven't really slept. That's number one. But number two, I got a cold or something. I'm sick. Something happened. It feels like I got fisted by the Mucinex guy. So I got a bottle of NyQuil. Okay, at least you get an episode. Let's fucking do this shit. All right, so first up for the day, I guess we should talk about Pixel leaks. Those happened. Story numero uno. This is number one for the day. First story of the day. Pixel leaks happened. I told you they were going to happen. I literally told you exactly when they were going to happen, and then here we go. I hope we're all happy. So I think 2 episodes ago, a number of episodes ago that has happened that we made. We showed this promo video that I debunked, went ahead and told you this is not real, not an official promo thing, just a concept made by some asshole on the internet. But since then, this happened. This is a legitimate, poorly filmed, real Pixel 4 promo video. And real quick, so this is like Google saying, look, we made this stuff and now we're making a phone, but can we just freeze frame here? You see this? That's the Hangouts logo. Because nothing inspires confidence quite like, hey, look, everybody, we made this phone and you should feel really good about it because before we made this phone, we made all this stuff and we shut all this stuff down. We killed it because we're Google. Have fun with your phone. Hopefully it works next year. I'm actually just kidding. Be on the lookout for Hangouts to make a comeback. Oh yeah, a bunch of pictures leaked. Some are better quality than others. Some were taken with a real camera and then the other ones look like they were taken with a freaking calculator. We also got to look at the specs from a hardware readout. I think that was the day of the Apple event. It doesn't fucking matter. I would almost say that just in pure volume, we have more Pixel 4 leaks than we did of Pixel 3 leaks last year. I know that's hard to believe, but that's the kind of shit I'm dealing with right now. Oh, and then yesterday, like an hour or two after the Apple event, Brandon from This Is Tech Today, friend of ours, went ahead and released his own video with his own exclusive leaks. It has his own pictures of the Pixel 4 in there, including video of like the motion sense and Project Soli settings within the device. Listen, instead of giving you the rundown, I'm going to link his video down in the description below. Just go click that and go watch it. He's a lot smarter than me, and he's Asian, so it's got that going for him. I'll never be Asian. Listen, kids, I'd love to run down all the leaks and one by one and every single detail, but I can't. Last year, Google made me into a completely insane person, and this year, I refuse. I will not be a victim. I told you guys that this was gonna happen. I literally told you last week, hey, you think this happens on accident? You think that this stuff just leaks? And then we're like, whoa, how did it happen? 2 videos in the same day of the 2 different colors of the phone? Whoa, crazy. And I was like, this is happening on purpose. Prepare your anus, because when it comes close to the Apple event Day, we're gonna get all sorts of new leaks, and here the f we are. Okay, and as much as I would love to continue the meme and just have you type in the comments, "In Jern we trust," because that's a funny thing to type, especially when I'm right often. But then I saw this. This tweet from Podcasted says, "When will you all realize that John is the Alex Jones of tech?" Everyone is like, "This sounds crazy." Then boom, he's proven right. Oh no. It's true. It's true, isn't it? Bottom line, not only do we have sources from the inside where I can confirm that yes, this is all marketing, Google is leaking this shit on purpose, it is not real leaks, Google's doing this and we're all falling for it, but also just from the outside, just from an objective perspective, operation perspective objective. If you, just from the outside, objectively, you over there not having any inside sources with Google, you could probably tell that this is happening on purpose. You don't need me to tell you, okay? But I can't anymore, Google. I can't do this. Okay, now let's talk about Apple. The Apple event that happened yesterday. Yeah, I know. We did a video about it. We covered it. I just did that a few hours ago, but there's some stuff that wasn't mentioned. Here's this. I'm going to mention it now. No. Okay. No, there wasn't one more thing. CoinX, you bitch. We got bamboozled, everybody. Okay, nothing. No one more thing. Just a freaking tweet. In fact, a lot of rumors were just wrong this year. There ended up being no reverse wireless charging in the phone, no rainbow Apple logo, no Apple Pencil support, no Apple tags, nothing. None of that stuff. Oh! No! No! I hit myself in the fucking nut with the iPad. Oh, Brian, cut this out. Don't leave this in the show. Don't leave it in. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, I need a second. Just a second. Oh. 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 Can you see me? Should I just do the show like this? Is this fine? Can I just do the rest of it like... Can I just do the rest like this? What else? Recycle Bin. Let's talk about Recycle Bin. If you missed it, brand new episode of our podcast is out, and it's the most popular episode yet. We actually had you guys call in and leave voicemails for us to answer on the show. It was a total mess. The link to that is down in the description. Go subscribe to our podcast, goddammit. And actually, this week, the next episode of Recycle Bin, we're having Telos of Tech on. Apple event week, Apple sheep, they go together. So now is your chance to, number 1, be on the show, and number 2, ask Drew anything. To call and leave a voicemail to be on the show, ask Drew anything, call 404-913-4226. Okay, that's the show. Hopefully you liked it, you learned something. See you tomorrow. Oh!